Divorce rate by country, the world's 7 most divorced nations. We are taking a closer look to the divorce trends across the globe. Marriage is becoming less popular and divorce continues to rise. Number 7. United Kingdom. The UK, made up of England, Scotland, Wales, and Northern Ireland, is an island nation in northwestern Europe. England, birthplace of Shakespeare and the Beatles, is home of the capital. London, a globally influential center of finance and culture. According to latest reports, divorce rating in United Kingdom is rise to 42%. Its large rate of numbers. It means in every 100 marriages, only 58 marriages successful in United Kingdom. Number 6. Germany. Germany is a Western European country with a landscape of forests, rivers, mountain ranges, and North Sea beaches. It has over 2 millennia of history. Berlin, its capital, is home to art and nightlife scenes. Everyone knows Germany is a very developed nation, but divorce continuously rising in the Germany. According to latest reports, divorce rating in Germany 44%. Number 5. United States. The USA is a country of 50 states covering a vast swath of North America, with Alaska in the northwest and Hawaii extending the nation's presence into the Pacific Ocean. In present time, United States is the most developed and richest country in the world. Most of the women in United States independent. Live-in relationship is very common in United States. According to data, divorce rate in United States rise to 46%. That's really huge issue. Number 4. Russia. Russia, or the Russian Federation, is a transcontinental country located in Eastern Europe and Northern Asia. Russia is a country with most beautiful women in the world. Russian girls' beauty very unique, and Russian girls' figure also very maintained. Living together as an extended family is common in Russia, that it can be called a tradition. It's been always a norm to grandparents, their children, grandchildren to live together as a family in one house. This trend has seen more changes lately. With 51% divorce rating, Russia become a fourth nation to highest divorce rate. Number 3. France. French people very romantic and also very cool. France in Western Europe encompasses medieval cities, alpine villages, and Mediterranean beaches. Paris, its capital, is famed for its fashion houses, classic art museum including the Louvre, and monuments like the Eiffel Tower. 70% French women fully independent. That's why living relationship is very common in France, and divorced also is very common. Divorce rating in this nation 55%, huge numbers. Number 2. Spain. Spain, a country on Europe's Iberian Peninsula, includes 17 autonomous regions with diverse geography and culture. Definitely, Spanish women will be able to beat a beautiful German, Swedish, or Russian woman. But you will shocked to hear divorce rating is 65% in Spain. Number 1. Luxembourg. One of the most richest countries in the world according to GDP per capita. Luxembourg is a small European country surrounded by Belgium, France, and Germany. Divorce rating in Luxembourg rise to 87%. Guys, like this video and share this video with all of your friends, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button.